Hello everybody! Today we're going to travel back in time to learn about the Victorians. We'll discover who they were, how they lived, and what life was like for children working in factories. Children working in factories? Oh, how ghastly. Fact lorries. That could have been interesting. Not fact lorries. Factories, you fool. Right, listen up, team. As you all know, we take turns. So this week, Cavish, George, Molly, and Rose will be our actors. And the rest of you, please get the stage ready. Enough of that tomfoolery, class. So, who were the Victorians? The Victorians lived during the reign of Queen Victoria, which was from 1837 to 1901. Britain changed a lot during this time. New inventions, railways, and factories appeared. That means people used machines and factories to make goods much faster than before. The Industrial Revolution. Machines replaced handmade work. Big factories were built in towns and cities. Steam engines powered machines. Many people moved from villages to cities for jobs. Why did children work? Well, poor families needed money. Children were paid less than adults. Some children even started to work at 6 or 7 years old. Many children didn't go to school. Many families were very, very poor, so children had to help earn money. Factory owners liked hiring children because, well, they were cheaper and they were small enough to fit under machines. Starting the day. Imagine waking up before sunrise every day and walking to work while it was still dark outside. Victorian children often arrived tired before work had even begun. Some started work at 5 or 6 o'clock a.m. They walked through dark streets to the factory. Breakfast was often just bread or porridge. Inside the factory. Factories were very noisy because huge machines worked all day long. The air was terrible. It was full of dust and fluff from cloth and cotton. Workers often shouted because it was too loud to hear each other. What was it like? Loud machines, hot rooms, dusty air, dangerous equipment, and crowded spaces. Jobs children did. Some children had to crawl underneath machines while they were still moving to clean them. Others fixed broken threads in textile mills. These jobs were very dangerous. Children worked as machine helpers, thread pickers, cleaners under machines, and coal carriers. Dangers in the factory. Children could very easily be badly hurt if they slipped or got too close to a machine. Some children became ill from breathing dirty air every day. A typical working day. Factory life was exhausting. Children worked for most of the day with only tiny breaks to eat. Many were so tired they struggled to stay awake. Factory rules and punishments. Factory owners expected workers to keep machines running all the time. Children could get into trouble for talking, slowing down, or arriving late. Changes for children. Over time, people realized factory life was unfair and dangerous for children. New laws helped protect children and gave them more chances to learn at school. Life slowly improved. New laws limited child labor. Children worked fewer hours and more children went to school, and factories became safer. Class, could I have your attention, please? Could one of you carefully wake George up? Wakey, wakey, George. Class, it's very important that if you're tired, please alert the person in charge. It's very normal. We all work hard and it leaves us feeling tired and sometimes exhausted, much like the children working in Victorian times. So, what have we learned? Victorian factories were busy and dangerous. Children worked very hard. Many children missed out on school, and life today is very, very different. Today, children in Britain go to school instead of factories. Learning about Victorian factory life helps us understand how important children's rights and education are. Excellent work today. It's been fascinating learning all about the Victorian era and life inside a factory. We are so lucky life has improved drastically, and they're all lucky enough to be able to come to school instead of a stinky, hot, busy factory. I take school over a factory any day. And remember everyone, if you ever feel tired or exhausted, you must let an adult know. Fantastic work today, class. Well, we hope you've enjoyed this episode on who were the Victorians and a day inside a Victorian factory on History Made Simply. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you next week. Bye bye.